Welcome to Glitter Buzz Style, and this is another skincare video, and it's all about Jason. I have recently been using this product for my face, and I've been using my cocoa butter, but not as much because I've been having a lot of extra little moles that's popping up. Moles that are popping up. So I'm not sure if it's due to the cocoa butter. So I've been trying to ease up on my cocoa butter regimen. So I was given the product Jason to try, and it's an amazing product because it smells absolutely fabulous. And for a girl like me who likes to keep my skin hydrated when I don't wear makeup, this product really came in handy, and it has a lot of key ingredients that are really necessities for your skin. It's an oil base, but you can use it for your face, your hand, and also your body. So if you're coming out the shower, you can apply this instead of lotion. It's an easy refresher for your face. If you don't want to put makeup on, I have put this on with makeup on top, and it works. And I have used it for my hand just to give my hand that moisturizer vibe and feel, especially with the cold weather season that we have going on right now. So this is Jason. It's a vitamin E skin oil. You can use it all over your body. It's a nourishment, and I like to use it after I wash my face. I apply it, and it just gives my skin that fresh, look, and it smells amazing. Now the key ingredients that are in this is sunflower seed oil. Also, it has in it avocado oil, and it has sweet almond. Now the sweet almond smells really good. I actually love the way that smells. So it really makes the scent stand out, the sweet almond scent. So, the only thing you need is a few drops. If you want to keep applying it, you can, but it definitely leaves your skin looking and feeling soft, and I love it. You can find this product for under $12, whether it's Walgreens, I've seen it at Walmart, definitely on Amazon, and Bed Bath & Beyond as well. So it's under $12. They have other products for your face and eye care needs, which is really important, okay? So for more fashion and beauty buzz, ladies, you know where to find me. Always on my blog at Glitter Buzz Style.